So go ahead and keep watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the. This is gonna go on vibrate. All right, now this is gonna be the intro for the everyday makeup. Hey Bee Beauties, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm Beatby.E, and if this is your first time seeing me, go ahead and click that subscribe button. That way you can become a Beat Beauty, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit the notification bell. That way you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday makeup routine. Most of the time I do have different eyeshadow looks, but just a base or my, the basics of my makeup. I do the same foundation, same contour, same concealer. So hopefully you will stick around and watch me transform this mug right here, and you can try it yourself. So if you want to see how I do my everyday makeup, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, starting out, I just have on my moisturizer. I have nothing on my face. I am going to use the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. Afterwards, I'm going to use the Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm, and it's going to make my face nice and tacky for the foundation. Now I'm applying my foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 340. Next, I'm applying my Black Opal True Color foundation stick in Truly Topaz as a concealer to my face. Using a Black Opal True Color foundation stick in Suede Mocha, I'm going to contour my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead. Now I'm using a e.l.f. foundation brush just to blend out my concealer into my foundation so there are no harsh lines and it blends seamlessly. Using a damp beauty blender, now I'm going to blend out that shade that I use as my contour on my face. Using a mini Miracle Complexion Sponge by Real Techniques, I'm going to set my concealer with the Airspun Translucent Powder. I am also going to use the translucent powder to carve out my cheekbones to have a more defined contour. Using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, I'm going to take the contour shade and set my cream contour with a Real Techniques sculpting brush. Once I've pressed the powder into my face, I will blend it towards the translucent powder. That way there are no harsh lines and it all blends seamlessly. Taking a powder brush, I'm going to dip into the sculpting shade in the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette and sweep away the translucent powder. That way I won't have any flashback, and also it blends the contour nicely. Now I'm just setting my face with the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. Alright guys, so this is basically what I do every time I do my face. I'm going to do my brows and my eyeshadow off camera, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you would like to see. I am having a brow tutorial come up soon because I have not done my brows on here in a long time. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can follow me on all my social media, which is down below in the description box. I appreciate and love you guys so much, and no matter what life throws at you, make sure to beat the odds. Bye!